My obese parrot died. That's a weight off my shoulder. Hello again everybody and welcome back. Right, so recently a lot of people have been having problems with their Fire Stick remotes disconnecting. And then they are having troubles connecting them back up to the device. So in this video we're quickly going to show you the best way to pair up your Amazon Fire Stick remote to the device and also show you a useful app you can use instead. So that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's crack on. Right, so yesterday both kids came downstairs and said, Dad, my Fire Stick's not working. And I did what every parent does, you're fibbing. Go and do it. No, I went upstairs and it was true, they weren't working. So I turned on my 4K Fire Stick and found that this one also wasn't working. So every Fire Stick in my house had disconnected the remotes. I don't know if Amazon did an update or what, but Amazon, you kind of things up. Right, so the first thing you're going to do is change the batteries in the remote if you think they are dead. And another thing, my wife's granddad, he did actually have the batteries in the wrong way. So obviously it was never going to work, but we wasted a lot of time trying to do it because they were in the wrong way. So do check that as well. And then another thing is unplug the Fire Stick altogether from the power source. Leave it unplugged for about 15-20 seconds and then plug it back in. And then now we're going to pair the remote to the device. Right, so on your older Fire Sticks, so any Fire Stick that's not a 4K Fire Stick, you're just literally going to long hold the home button. But a lot of people will find that it doesn't work the first time. Sometimes you need to try it 6 or 7 times. But it should eventually pair up. But if it doesn't, you're going to follow the same process I'm going to show you now of how to pair up the 4K Fire Stick. Right, so first of all, we're going to use his phone. So you want to search for the app My Fire TV, or Amazon Fire TV, sorry, and then we're going to click install. And this app you can actually use instead of your remotes, and you may find it a lot easier. So once that's installed, we're going to click on open, going to give it a few moments. And first of all, you want to make sure that both the devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. So if you are using a VPN on your phone, do make sure you just deactivate it while you do this process so that they can pair up. And you're going to see it comes up with the name of your device. So mine's Adam's Fire TV, as you can see there. Name's Adam, if you didn't know. So when we click on that, it should ask for a PIN. So it comes up on the Fire Stick, Fire TV Remote App Connection Request. So 3334. So we'll type that into this app. And once you do that, it'll pair up. And then as you can see, you've actually got a remote on your phone. You can scroll across, you can go home, you can go back. It's got every function on there that your remote has and more. You've even got a keyboard in the top right-hand corner, which will make it a lot easier for typing in URLs and searches and things. But obviously now we want to pair up the actual 4K Fire Stick remote. So what we want to do is go across to settings, down and across to remote and Bluetooth devices. I really struggle to say that because I'm that used to saying applications. Click on that, and then you're going to see it says Amazon Fire TV Remotes. So then we're going to click on Amazon Fire TV Remotes, go down to Add New Remote, and when you click on that, it's going to say Searching. Now we're going to long hold the home button, and as you can see, it says it's ready to pair. But I'm going to leave it holding until it starts blinking really fast. If you are using an older remote than this one, then you're fine to let it go and just pair it up straight away. So then we're going to click on that, and then you see it goes back to this section here, and then as you can see, it's working, it's functioning as normal. And it's as easy as that. But like I said, when it does come to the app, it does make it much easier how you can use the keyboard to just type in. Look how fast that was. So yeah, I don't know what Amazon was doing. I don't know if it was an update or what, but every Fire Stick remote did disconnect. My kids' Fire Sticks, so the older versions, the 1st and 2nd gen Fire Sticks, they should just pair up by long holding the home button. You may have to repeat the process quite a few times until you do pair it up, but it should do it. But the process I have just shown you for the 4K Fire Stick remote, that'll work for any Fire Stick. And it is a lot easier to do like that than thinking, why is this not working? Nah then mate, why ain't this working? But yeah, I do hope this answered a lot of your questions. Do comment down below if you are still having problems. I'll be more than happy to try and help you. And there are a lot of subscribers down there as well that will be able... Wow. No, it's gone. It's gone. And there are also a lot of subscribers in there that can help as well. If you haven't already, go and follow me on Twitter. I'll leave a link down below. So that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you soon. Ta-ra.
Without you, I remember myself.